everybody, how are you? Today is December 4th, 2023, and John and I were going to replace a 10 by 2.5 filter by a 10 4.5 inch filter. So hang on and enjoy the show. By the way, John and I were high school buddies. After 50 years, we're going strong. No one is gonna hurt this man. No one. First thing we're going to do is we're going to turn off the valve, get it out, make sure there's no water, and we're going to cut. All right, one down, one to go. All right, we got the ends cut. Now we're going to do is remove the filter. All right. Let me put this on pause for a minute. Okay, let's pick things up where we're at. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove this bracket and put the bracket here, which is, you can see, is a much larger bracket. So we're going to have to re-drill the holes and put this in here. So we got to get rid of the old one. John, my helper, you have a screwdriver.
Right here.
Thank you, sir. All right, and that's it. We're done with the old filter. It smells very bad, and guess what? We're gonna put a filter in here that's gonna make this water smell like New Jersey, not Newark, New Jersey, East Brunswick. We are men. We are men. Say it.
We are men.
That's it. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the male couplers in here like this, okay? And when I'm done with it, with the tape, with the PVC tape, and when I'm done with it, we will resume the video. Okay, now, whenever you put the PVC tape on it, make sure that you go 4 times around. Because this is a little bit larger, I'm going to do a little bit more than 4 times around, but no less than 4 times. And you want to do this clockwise. Okay, this is the second one. Oh, by the way, we haven't inspected. Just want to let you all know that once the work is done, Lula is going to inspect. She's going to sniff things out, and if everything's fine, we're good. All right. So now that we have both male couplers taped, we're going to screw them on. Make sure that they're even. Ladies and gentlemen, are we ready for part 3 of the filter? 10 inches by 4.5. By the way, as a good Cuban, meet my little friend. Partagas. John, may I have a filter, please? Yes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the moment of truth? We're gonna open up the valve and breathe the air on top. Right. No water leakage in any way. High five, brother. This is my buddy and I, man to man, doing the job that we got to do. Of course, the job is not done till the inspector approves. Very good. Oh, she likes it. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. So we got this. Now the other challenge that we have, ladies and gentlemen, this doesn't work. This little device here, which is the power generator, it doesn't work. So this power generator must be replaced. Okay, with this is the device that it is used to pump water into the soap canister and suck it back in to clean the filters, because it hasn't worked, because it has not worked. The filters are dirty. That device must be changed. Not the motherboard, but rather the charger. So you can see it's not making any contact. The other one is working just fine. That concludes the installation of the 10 by 4.5 filter.
Drop it.